वेलकम सभी को। हम लोग अभी स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं जनवरी 2024 का करंट अफेयर्स। तो आप लोग को जैसे पता है, जब मंथ खत्म होता है तब मैं करंट अफेयर्स रिलीज करता हूँ, और इसका जो पीडीएफ है वो हम लोग का टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में अवेलेबल है। डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में उसका लिंक दिया हुआ है, वहाँ पे क्लिक करो, पीडीएफ को डाउनलोड करो और प्रिंट करो। ठीक है, पढ़ना स्टार्ट करो। यहाँ पे और एक चीज है, तो जो बैंक का तैयारी कर रहे हैं उनके लिए भी एक बोनस रहेगा कि अपकमिंग यूआईआईसी जो एग्जाम है, ठीक है, उसका जो जीए पार्ट है, ठीक है, और उसमें जो करंट अफेयर्स पूछा जाएगा, यहाँ पे कुछ वहां पे उसका थोड़ा सा रहेगा। ओके, क्या रहेगा? जीए पार्ट रहेगा। ओके तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं हम लोग का करंट अफेयर्स। तो यहाँ पे कम से कम 300 प्लस करंट अफेयर्स हम लोग कवर करेंगे एवरी मंथ। देखो 10 करंट अफेयर्स अगर लेके चलोगे तो 30 में एवरेज कितना होगा? 300। तो एवरी मंथ 300 करंट अफेयर्स तो रहेगा ही। अगर कहीं पे उससे ज्यादा हो रहा है, मतलब वहां पे बहुत कुछ चीज एडेड है या फिर अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स कुछ आ चुका है, ओके, तो इसलिए उसमें ज्यादा रहेगा और आपका बेनिफिट रहेगा। और साथ ही साथ ये जो ग्रुप है इसमें आपको जीके, रीजनिंग, एप्टीट्यूड, इंग्लिश, ये सब का जो पीडीएफ है, बुक्स है, अगर आप लोग के पास नहीं है उसमें फ्री में दिया रहता है, तो वो भी आप लोग डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। ओके, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का क्वेश्चन से। वेयर इज राजस्थान फर्स्ट स्नेक पार्क बीइंग कंस्ट्रक्टेड? दैट इज इन कोटा। ठीक है, ये कहां पे है? ये है कोटा में। इन विच इंडियन स्टेट इज द वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट रिलीजियन मॉन्यूमेंट सर्विंग एज द हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ इस्कॉन अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन? दैट इज इन वेस्ट बंगाल। हु फाउंडेड द बोचा सनवासी श्री अशकर पुरुषोत्तम स्वामीनारायण संस्था, बैप्स? ओके, दैट इज यज्ञा पुरुष दास और नोन एज शास्त्री जी महाराज। द हैथाई अम्मान फेस्टिवल इज primarily celebrated by which community? That is Badaga community in Tamil Nadu. What is the primary objective of the FEAST software launched by ISRO? To perform structural analysis for various structure. जैसे सैप भी होता है, ठीक है, तो वैसा ही है फीस्ट। व्हाट इज द मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ एक्स-रे पोलरीमीटर सैटेलाइट लॉन्च बाय इसरो टू स्टडी ब्लैक होल्स एंड न्यूरॉन स्टार? ठीक है, ये जो एक्स-रे पोलरीमीटर सैटेलाइट है लॉन्च बाय इसरो, ये क्या करता है? टू स्टडी द ब्लैक होल्स एंड न्यूरॉन स्टार्स। ठीक है, ये थोड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट रहेगा। ओके, who has been made the brand ambassador of the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme? That is Pinky. That is Pinky. हाँ, Pinky. एक काम करता है उसको, क्या आप सही है? मुझे एक बार कमेंट करना कि अगर ये फॉन्ट सही है या नहीं, आप लोग को अच्छे से दिख रहा है या नहीं। ओके, क्योंकि अगर मैं फॉन्ट सही नहीं करता हूँ तो आप लोग को दिक्कत हो सकता है। ओके, मान लो ज्यादा दिक्कत नहीं होगा, आपका डेटा जाएगा और क्या, हाई रेजोल्यूशन में देखने के लिए। विच ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लॉन्च द मेडटेक मित्रा पोर्टल टू असिस्ट medtech innovators? That is Central Drug Standard Control Organization CDSCO and Indian Council of Medica Research ICMR। ठीक है, medtech मित्रा पोर्टल किसने लॉन्च किया है? That is CDSCO, Central Drug Standard Control Organization and Indian Council of Medica Research, Medical Research. Okay, which country launched its own computer operating system? ओपन काइलिन। ठीक है, तो ओपन काइलिन किसने लॉन्च किया? ओपन काइलिन लॉन्च किया है चाइना ने। Francois Bettencourt Meyers, who became the first woman to boast a 12-figure fortune, is associated with which company? That is L'Oreal. What is the name of the India's fastest solar electric boat? That is Shaur Shakti. Which Indian skydiver became the first woman to jump off a helicopter from the height of 21,500 feet in front of Mount Everest? तो आपको पता था, तो वो लड़की बहुत महान काम किया था और जैसे कूद गई तो शी बिकम मतलब शीतल हो गया एकदम, ठीक है। तो शीतल महाजन। Which country won the Asia Cup under 19 क्रिकेट टूर्नामेंट? तो किसने जीता क्रिकेट अंडर 19? दैट इज बांग्लादेश। हु हैज बीन इलेक्टेड एज सीएम ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़? विष्णु देव। छठ पूजा है ना, तो और विष्णु दो गॉड है ना, विष्णु देव साई, ऐसे याद रखेंगे। वेयर इज द नेशनल एनर्जी कंजर्वेशन डे सेलिब्रेटेड इन इंडिया? व्हेन? ओके, सो 14 दिसंबर। फॉर विच पीरियड विल इंडिया बी नंबर ऑफ यूनिट्रॉइड Government Council for the year 2024 to 2028? Who is the winner of the award for contributing to chemistry education? Caroline Bertozzi. So that is Savitra Lagarde. Okay, Savitra Lagarde, winner of the award for contributing to chemistry education. Who amongst the following were conferred with the Indira Gandhi Peace Prize 2023? That is Daniel Barenboim and Ali Abu Awad. That is Indira Gandhi Peace Prize 2023. When is the Janjatiya Gaurav Divas celebrated? November 15th. What is the theme of the celebration associated with November 16? This is National Press Day. ठीक है। Media in the era of आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, इसका थीम क्या है? तो व्हाट इज द थीम? थीम इज मीडिया इन द एरा ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस। द डेजर्ट साइक्लोन एक्सरसाइज विच वाज कंडक्टेड बाय विच टू कंट्रीज? तो डेजर्ट किसके पास है? यूएई एंड इंडिया, इनके पास डेजर्ट साइक्लोन। ओके, यूनाइटेड अरब में बहुत सारा साइक्लोन आता है डेजर्ट का, दैट इज वाई, उससे याद रखेंगे। वैसे डेजर्ट तो बहुत सारे कंट्रीज में है, ओके, पर एक्सरसाइज रिलेटेड तो यूएई। अगर बोलते इंडोनेशिया है ना, इंडोनेशिया नेपाल इस सब में था, तो डेजर्ट साइक्लोन आराम से पता लग जाएगा, तो यूएई। ओके, इंडिया एंड यूएई। द डेजर्ट साइक्लोन एक्सरसाइज वाज हेल्ड इन व्हिच इंडियन स्टेट? तो कहां पे हुआ था? राजस्थान, ठीक है। The Guinness World Record for the largest assembly of Surya Namaskar was set in which state? That is गुजरात। सूर्य उसके बाद रात है ना, गुजर गया रात, गुजरात। चाइना वेसल वैंगजियांग इज इंटेंडेड फॉर व्हाट पर्पस? टू ड्रिल इनटू अर्थ्स मेंटल। ये जो चाइना अभी है ना, टेक्निकली सो एडवांस, कुछ भी कर रहे हैं है ना, नॉट दे आर ड्रिलिंग इनटू द अर्थ्स मेंटल, कुछ भी। The Modhera Sun Temple is located in which Indian state? जहां पे मौत नहीं बिकता है वहां पे सन टेम्पल है, that is गुजरात। ओके, मौत नहीं बिकता है ना वहां पे, तो मौत कहाँ नहीं बिकता? गुजरात में। ओके, मोधेरा मदिरा सन टेम्पल। एंड डिस्क्लेमर दे देता हूं पहले, कोई रिलीजियस से कोई नाता वाता नहीं है मेरा, ठीक है, जस्ट टू रिमेम्बर द जीके, उसके लिए मैं करता हूँ। ओके, अगर आपको बुरा लगे तो आपको बुरा नहीं लगना चाहिए, जस्ट एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन के माध्यम से मैं ये करता हूँ। ओके, ताकि आपको याद रह सके। ओके, प्लीज इसको खराब मत पाइएगा कि मैं ऐसे कभी कभी बोल देता हूँ। ओके, एंड स्टूडेंट को इतना खराब नहीं लगना चाहिए। ओके, क्योंकि कुछ कुछ ट्रिक्स बहुत गंदे होते हैं, है ना, कि वैसे तरीके से याद किया जाता है। ओके, ताकि आपको याद मतलब रह जाए। ओके, DRDO celebrates its 66 फाउंडेशन डे ऑन व्हिच डेट? दैट इज 1 जनवरी। हाँ, कल से मैं क्या करूंगा, एकदम स्टार्टिंग में मैं डिस्क्लेमर दे दूंगा। ओके, कि नहीं अगर आपको बुरा लगता है ये वीडियो मत देखना, क्योंकि मैं इसमें ट्रिक्स यूज करने वाला हूँ। ओके, एंड फॉर एजुकेशनल पर्पज ओनली, किसी को मतलब क्या कहते हैं बहकावे में नहीं लेंगे। हु इज द चेयरमैन ऑफ द 16 फाइनेंस कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया? डॉक्टर अरविंद पानागरिया। India's first all girls Sainik School was inaugurated in which city? That is Vrindavan. Who was the first chairman of the Finance Commission of India? K.C. Niog. Okay, K.C. Niog. Who was selected for the National Youth Award 2024? Bisati Bharat. Who is the Vice Chancellor of Chaudhary Charan Singh Haryana Agriculture University awarded the M.S. Swaminathan Award? B.R. Kamboj. What is the maximum penalty for hit and run case under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita? Okay, means IPC. Okay, 10 years imprisonment. उसका नया नाम क्या है? भारतीय न्याय संहिता. एंड कितना होगा? 10 साल imprisonment. Who was the first chief election commissioner of India? That is Sukumar Sen. On which day is the National Youth Day celebrated every year? ठीक है, that is January 12. What is the primary language spoken by the Hatti tribe? That is Kinaudi. Which tribe was recently recognized as a scheduled tribe in Himachal Pradesh? That is Hatti tribe. Which country joined BRICS as new full members in 2024? That is Egypt, Ethiopia, Iran, Saudi Arabia and UAE. Who sculpted the idol of Ram Lala to be installed in Ayodhya Ram Mandir? That is अरुण योगीराज. ठीक है, उन्होंने काट कूट के उनको बनाया है ना, उनको शेप दिया है. तो कौन है? अरुण योगीराज. The M.S. Swaminathan Award is presented annually by the Government of India for achievement in agriculture. Who preceded Randhir Jaiswal as the spokesperson of the Ministry of External Affairs? That is Arindam Bagchi. Which of the following products from the West Bengal has received the GI tag? The Sundarban honey, Kadiyal, Sari, Black Nuina rice, all of the above. तो सारा है. The World Economic Forum WEF was established in year 1971. Okay, WEF कब established हुआ? That is 1971. Who has been appointed as the spokesperson of the Ministry of External Affairs in 2024? Randhir Jaiswal. Which Indian state union territory is the first to implement the PM Vishwakarma scheme? That is Jammu and Kashmir. For the first time, ISRO will use the which SpaceX rocket to launch the GSAT-20 satellite? That is Falcon 9. Okay, because very heavy satellite है ना, तो उसको हम लोग का जो अभी है नहीं हम लोग के पास, तो इसीलिए दूसरा का हेल्प लेने पड़ रहा है. Okay. What is the theme of the WEF annual meeting held in Davos in 2024? From lab to life, science in action. What is the primary function of the Delhi State Industrial and Infrastructure Development Corporation? DSIIDC. So, promoting industrial development in India, in Delhi. Which Indian state UT has proposed to create an industrial hub in Ranikhera? Okay. So that is New Delhi. Who is the founder and executive chairman of the World Economic Forum? That is Klaus Schwab. What is the new name of Ayodhya Airport as per the Union Cabinet's approval? Maharishi Valmiki International Airport, Ayodhya Dham. Okay. तो उन अयोध्या में जो एयरपोर्ट होगा उसका नाम क्या है? महर्षि वाल्मीकि के नाम के ऊपर दिया गया है. ओके, महर्षि वाल्मीकि इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट. द अयोध्या रेलवे जंक्शन इन उत्तर प्रदेश हैज बीन नेम्ड एज अयोध्या धाम जंक्शन. Which scheme is launched to upgrade and develop schools as per the National Education Program 2020 in Uttar Pradesh? That is PM Shri Yojana. The Uttar Purvi Mahotsav is organized by which ministry? Ministry of Development of North Eastern Region. The Prithvi Vigyan scheme launched by Ministry of Earth Sciences aims to enhance understanding of Earth system for societal benefits. A biopesticide and biofertilizer tricholine formulation developed by किसने डेवलप किया था? IISR. The Indian Institute of Spices Research which developed the tricholine formulation is located in which state? तो ये कहाँ पे है? ये केरला में है. The primary objective of the PM Shri Yojana is to develop model schools in line with National Education Policy 2020. Shri Yojana, okay, to develop model schools in line with National Education Policy 2020. Where is the Uttar Purvi Mahotsav being organized? That is in Delhi. As part of the PM Shri Yojana, how many schools will be upgraded in the first phase in the Uttar Pradesh? That is 928 school will be upgraded. तो ये जो नंबर ये कैसे सोचते हैं कि चलो 900 नहीं या फिर 1000 नहीं, एकदम 928 ही रहना चाहिए. ओके, पूछना पड़ेगा इनसे कि ये नंबर कैसे निकालते हैं कि दैट 1 crore फैमिली विल बी अवॉर्डेड दिस, ये स्कीम 1 लाख को मिलेगा, एंड कहीं के लिए 1,528 कहाँ से निकालते हैं, पूछना पड़ेगा इन लोग को, या फिर लकी नंबर होगा. द फेमस सॉन्ग ए मेरे वतन के लोगो वॉज ओरिजिनली संग बाय लता मंगेशकर. या फिर ऐसा भी हो सकता है ना कि 1 करोड़ का बजट है एंड उन्होंने बोला कि अच्छा ये घर बनाने के लिए इतना पैसा लगेगा, तो इतना पैसा में डिवाइड करने के बाद 928 आया होगा, है ना, वो भी हो सकता है. Which of the following is a form of devotional poetry sung in praise of God Vithoba, that is Abhang. Bhalari is one of the popular folk song sung by farmers while working in the fields. तो किसका है भलारी? भलारी महाराष्ट्र, महाभल्ला, ओके, महाराष्ट्र. The chorus singing Sabad is associated with Guru Parv. With which of the following musical instrument is the musician Skill Malla Chandrasekhar associated? That is with flute. Turi, Bungal, Parva are folk musical instrument from the state of Gujarat. यहाँ पे क्या है? तुरी, तुरी, that is Bungal, that is पावा. ओके, पावा तो सुना ही होगा, टूरी बुंगाल. ओके, ओई, a typical folk song which is made up of couplets describing women's maternal and material homes and is sung by village women folk while performing routine chores throughout the day belongs to which state? That is Maharashtra. Oi, 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 okay, oi. और यहाँ पे क्या था? भलारी, भलारी, ओई. फिल्म मेकर उत्पल Borpujari's documentary Song of the Dash is based on the folk song and culture of the Naga tribe, that is Blue Hills. Utpal Pujari's documentary Song of the Blue, Songs of the क्या? Songs of the Blue Hills, okay, is the based on the folk song and culture of the Naga tribes. Pandavani is the most celebrated folklore of Chhattisgarh. Okay, Pandavani is the most celebrated folklore of Chhattisgarh. Mando is a form of folk song from the state of Goa. Dongriya corn swal, which received the GI tag, is from which state? That is from Odisha. Dongri, okay, from Dongri to Dubai. That Dongri अलग है ना? That Dongri corn swal is from which Indian state? That is Odisha. Professor Ved Prakash Nanda, who passed away recently, was renowned for his contribution to international law. The first on-grid solar project of Lakshadweep was inaugurated at which place? That is Kavaratti and Agatti. Inaugurated in Kavaratti and Agatti. Who inaugurated the program पंचायत से पार्लियामेंट तक, द स्पीकर ऑफ लोकसभा? जल्लीकट्टू, a traditional sport, is associated with which Indian state? That is Tamil Nadu. Jallikattu. Where was the 10th century Kadamba inscription found recently? That is in Goa. और जल्लीकट्टू तो रहना ही चाहिए, है ना, एंड एवरी पीपल शुड बी पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन जल्लीकट्टू। नो डाउट हार्म होता है, बट पीपल तो अपने विलिंग से जाते हैं ना, मतलब उसको क्या करता है, ऐसे सिंग से मार दिया, विदेश में तो होता ही है ना। तो हम लोग का भी यहाँ पे होना चाहिए और बड़े हिसाब से होना चाहिए, एरिया बड़ा कर देना चाहिए, गली गली में घुस जाना चाहिए, है ना, मजा आ जाएगा। Where was the 10th century Kadamba inscription found recently? That is in Goa. Who appointed as the new CEO of the Indian Olympic Association? That is Raghuram Iyer. Which organization was responsible for developing Lakshadweep's first on-grid solar projects? Solar Energy Corporation of India, SECI, है ना। अभी रिसेंटली बजट निकला है तो वहाँ पे भी सोलर का बहुत उपयोग रहेगा, है ना, घर घर में बिजली आएगा थ्रू सोलर। द पंचायत से पार्लियामेंट तक इनिशिएटिव एम्ड एट एम्पावरिंग वुमेन grassroots leaders was organized by Institute of Constitutional Parliament, studied in coordination with the National Commission for Women. Which art form related to the Langia Saura tribe and recently received GI tag is known for its unique wall painting, that is Idital painting? उस पेंटिंग का कौन सा टाइप का पेंटिंग है? इट इज इदिताल पेंटिंग। The Vibrant Gujarat Summit 2024 will be held in which city? That is Gandhinagar. Lal Bahadur Shastri, the second Prime Minister of India, was born in which year? 1904. Chandoli festival is celebrated in which state of Assam? In which state of India? That is in Assam. Okay. The Pran Pratishtha ceremony for Ram Lala Virajman is scheduled to be held on which date in Ayodhya? That is 22nd January. Okay. Pran Pratishtha done. Everything went well. In which year was the Swachh Bharat mission launched? Okay. 2014. कभी कभी स्टेट एग्जाम में ये पूछ लेता है। ओके, स्वच्छ भारत का अभी नया नाम क्या है? ब्यूटीफुल इंडिया। ओके, व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी गोल ऑफ द स्वच्छ भारत मिशन? टू अचीव ए क्लीन एंड ओपन डेफिकेशन फ्री इंडिया। मेरा घर के सामने देखना कितना कूड़ा पड़ा रहता है, बोलता है कि सिटी है, ऐसा होता है। वी हैव टू राइट अ लेटर टू द एडिटर एंड दैट विल बी सीन बाय एडुकेटेड पीपल्स, बट गंदा करने वाले लोग ज्यादा है ना। द प्रसादम इनिशिएटिव, इंडियाज फर्स्ट हाइजीन फूड स्ट्रीट, वाज लॉन्च इन विच सिटी? उज्जैन, मध्य प्रदेश। हु इज द न्यूली अपॉइंटेड एम्बेसडर टू द वर्ल्ड ट्रेड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन WTO फ्रॉम इंडिया? दैट इज Senthil Panda. Okay, that is Senthil Panda. Which of the following statement is true about the Milan 24 exercise hosted by the Indian Navy? It began with the participation of just 4 countries: Indonesia, Singapore, Sri Lanka and Thailand. Who has been re-elected as the Prime Minister of Bangladesh for the 5th term? That is Sheikh Hasina. कौन बना? ये बना है शेख हसीना। Who is current Dictator General of the World Trade Organization WTO? Nyogsi Okonjo-Iweala. Okay, सही बात है। Who took oath as the new Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh? That is Mohan Yadav. What is the full form of Bhog? Issued by FSSAI. Blissful hygiene offering to God. What is the theme of the Vibrant Gujarat Summit 2024? Gateway to the Future. सीधे फ्यूचर में लेके जाओ। Which indigenous assault rifle has been recently launched by DRDO? That is Ugram. In which city will the 46th session of UNESCO World Heritage Committee be hosted in 2024? That is in New Delhi. Which stone is used to make the Ram Lala idol to be installed in Ayodhya? That is Krishna Shila. कौन सा टाइप का स्टोन है? That is Krishna Shila stone. Okay. The Ayodhya Railway Junction in Uttar Pradesh has been officially named as Ayodhya Dham Junction. बहुत बढ़िया। The 15 BRICS Summit 2023 was held in which country? That is South Africa. The Pongal is celebrated in which state? That is in तमिलनाडु। और इसी से हम लोग एक सेंचुरी कंप्लीट किए हैं, तो इसमें हम लोग लेंगे एक पानी का ब्रेक। Next, the Ayodhya railway junction has been renamed by which name? That is Ayodhya Dham junction. Okay, पहले भी मिल चुका था. The Henley Passport Index, what is the rank of India? That is 84. Who has been appointed as the member of UPSC? That is Shil Vardhan. The Tenzing Norway Adventure Award Norway Adventure Award was given for the first time in which year? 1994. Katil Yash Hanga Mela is been celebrated in which state? That is Karnataka. The longest solar light line of the world has been installed in which state? That is Uttar Pradesh. Arun Yogiraj, who created Ramji statue to be installed in Ram Mandir, belongs to which state? That is Karnataka. In which Hindu month the festival of Lohri comes? That is Pausha. Which book on Modi has been launched recently? Modi's Green Revolution. Where was the 81st Golden Globe Awards ceremony held? That is Beverly Hills, California, USA. Who won the award for Best Film Drama at the 81st Golden Globe Awards? That is Oppenheimer. What is the primary occasion for the Gangasagar Mela held annually in West Bengal? That is Makar Sankranti. Which of the following fairs is traditionally known for trading elephants and horses? That is Sonepur Cattle Fair. What is the significance of the January 22 mentioned in the context of the Swachh Mandir campaign, inauguration of Ram Mandir? Where will the 9th Asian Winter Games 2024 be held? That is Harbin, China. Who received the Best Actress Drama Award at the ceremonies? That is Lily Gladstone. When was the Swachh Mandir campaign initiated by PM Modi? January 14. What is the primary objective of the initiative launched by CM Yogi Adityanath in Uttar Pradesh? To facilitate an online hearing of complaints and second appeals in the State Information Commission. Which act provides for the creation of State Information Commission at the state level in India? Right to Information Act. Indian Navy Day, that is December 4th. Indian Air Force Day, 8th October. Indian Army Day, January 15th. What was the theme of Indian Army Day in the provided information? तो पहले था in the service of the nation. Okay. Theme क्या है? तो the theme is the in the service of the nation. Theme of Indian Army Day. Okay. In the service of the nation. Recently, which indigenous assault rifle was launched by DRDO? That is Ugram. Who is the author of the book Gandhi, A Life in Three campaign? That is M.J. Akbar. Which tiger reserve has been declared as the first dark sky park within a tiger reserve in India? That is Pench Tiger Reserve. What is the aim of the Dark Sky Park initiative in Pench Tiger Reserve? To restrict light pollution for stargazers. Which river flows through the Pench Tiger Reserve? तो obviously Pench ही जाता है. What is the full form of Sambhav in the context of the Indian Army initiative, Secure Army Mobile Ecosystem? Who became the first leader of the Indian Army on January 15, 1949? That is Field Marshal K.M. Kariappa. Dhanu Yatra festival based on Krishna Leela is celebrated in which state? That is Odisha. Jagannath Puri Heritage Corridor is located in which Indian state? That is Odisha. Who constructed the Jagannath Puri temple? That is Ananta Varman Choda Ganga Deva. Who was awarded the FIFA Football Awards 2024 Men's Player of the Year? That is Lionel Messi. Okay. तो ये important भी रहेगा और पहले भी हम लोग देख चुके थे. The Karbi Youth Festival is celebrated in which Indian state? That is Assam. एक Ayutthaya, a bilateral naval exercise was conducted between two countries. X Ayutthaya, okay, that India and Thailand. Thiruvallapur Day is celebrated in which date? 16th January. Which series won the Emmy Awards 2024 for Best Drama Series? That is Succession. Cyclone Belal recently caused havoc in which ocean? That is Indian Ocean. Belal, लाल करके गया इंडिया को, है ना? Cyclone Belal. The Indian International Science Festival IISF 2023 was held in which city? That is Faridabad. On which occasion with a 20% discount we offered to the Sanatan Khadi Vastra? That is Ramotsava. Which of the following is not one of the 5 Ks introduced by the Guru Gobind Singh in 1699? That is Karak. तो केश है, कंगा है, किरपान है, बट करक वहां पे नहीं था. Who is the Indian chess player that surprised Vishwanathan Anand by defeating Ding Liren in the Tata Steel Master? That is Ramesh Babu Praggananda. Okay, Ramesh Babu Praggananda. And 84th वाला कौन है? वैशाली. Okay. Where was the design of Sanatan clothing prepared? NIPS Khadi Center of Excellence. When was the Khadi and Village Industries Commission KVIC established by the Government of India? That is 1957. On which occasion was the 357th Prakash Utsav celebrated? Guru Gobind Singh's birth anniversary. Who is the author of the book and Uncommon Love, the Early Life of Sudha and Narayana Murthy? That is Chitra Banerjee Diva Karuni. Who is the current chairman of the Khadi and Village Industries Commission KVIC? That is Manoj Kumar. Who wrote the book The Babri Masjid and the Ram Mandir Dilemma? That is Madhav Godbole. Babri Masjid, Ram Mandir, oh God, क्या बोल दिए, है ना? तो Madhav Godbole. Which book is authored by Vivek Ranjan Agnihotri and what it is about? The Book of Life, My Dance with Buddha for Success. तो Vivek Ranjan Agnihotri, है ना? The Book of Life, My Dance with Buddha for Success. Who has received प्रधानमंत्री राष्ट्रीय बाल पुरस्कार 2024 in the bravery category? That is Aditya Vijay Brahmane, है ना? Brahmane. Okay. When was Tamil first identified as a classical language? 2004. तो सबका स्टेट डे भी एक बार देख लेना, है ना? In which state of Australia is the world's tallest Ram temple being constructed? That is Perth. बताओ. World's tallest Ram मंदिर हम लोग के इंडिया में नहीं, कहाँ पे बन रहा है? ये ऑस्ट्रेलिया में. During the प्राण प्रतिष्ठा ceremony of the Ram temple, what does the mirror ritual symbolize? Awakening of the deity. Which language has been designated as one of the India's 9 classical languages recently? That is Farsi. How many children have been selected for the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar 2024 from all regions of the country? That is 19. What is the height of the Statue of the Social Justice in Vijayawada? That is 206 feet. What is the estimated cost of the Ram Temple in Perth, Australia? That is rupees 600 crore. Which country's probe is nicknamed the Moon Sniper and recently landed on the moon? That is Japan. Moon Sniper किसका है? Moon Sniper जापान का है. Okay. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of Sastra Sima Bal (SSB)? Okay, that is Daljit Singh. DG कौन है? That is Daljit Singh. What is the significance of Parakram Divas? It celebrates the birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Which force did Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose form in 1942 to fight against the British rule? That is INA, Indian National Army. What is the name of the revolutionary mobile hospital deployed in Ayodhya? That is Bhishma Mobile Cubes. What is included in the Bhisham Revolutionary Mobile Hospital Kit to ensure a reliable power supply, both traditional and solar panel based option? What is the objective of the Pradhan Mantri Suryodaya Yojana announced by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi to generate electricity थ्रू सोलर एनर्जी. सूर्योदय है ना, सूर्योदय से मतलब सोलर एनर्जी. What company is said to be launched to commemorate the 75th year of India as a republic? That is हमारा संविधान हमारा सम्मान. ये कैंपेन चला है, हमारा संविधान हमारा सम्मान. Who won the gold medal in the Asian Marathon Championship 2024? That is मान सिंह. पान सिंह तोमर, मान सिंह, है ना. What is the India's target for reducing the emission intensity of its GDP by 2030 according to the updated nationally determined contribution, that is 45%. What unique feature does the Ram temple have that is in the news? That is Surya Tilak mechanism. Okay. What is the exercise Khanjar taking place? That is Baklo, and that is in Himachal Pradesh. Who has been conferred with the Bharat Ratna in the year 2024? That is Kapuri Thakur. National Girl Child Day is celebrated on which day? 24th January. युद्ध डे याद था, है ना. युद्ध डे कब था? 12. अभी नेशनल गर्ल चाइल्ड डे कितना है? 24. उसका डबल है ना, लड़की उसका डबल, लड़कों से डबल होता है, दैट इज 24. Which scheme's anniversary does National Girl Child Day mark? बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ. On which date is National Voters Day celebrated? That is 25th January. अब लड़की बड़ी होगी तो वोट देगी अगले दिन, है ना, तो अगले दिन क्या बन गया? नेशनल वोटर्स डे. Who launched the Anuvadini app? Ministry of Education. Which institution was awarded the Subhash Chandra Bose Apada Pradhan Puraskar in the Disaster Management 60 Parachute Field Hospital, Uttar Pradesh? Which state celebrated its Foundation Day on 24 January? Uttar Pradesh. What is the state animal of Uttar Pradesh? That is swamp deer. Which app has been launched by the central government to provide digital study materials in Indian languages? That is Anuvadini. Which initiative provides psychological support to students for their mental health and well-being? That is Manodarpan. What is the chief reservoir of the river Nile? That is Lake Victoria. Who topped the list in the WADA's 10 years global study on positive doping case among minors? That is Russia. When was Amberford declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site? That is 2013. In which year was Jaipur's Jantar Mantar completed? 1734. ये सब करंट अफेयर्स में इसलिए है क्योंकि रिसेंटली कुछ बात चला होगा, कोई गया होगा, है ना, उसके लिए ये है. ओके. हाउ मच अमाउंट वाज रिलीज फॉर प्री मैट्रिक स्कॉलरशिप अंडर द PM Yashasvi scheme? That is rupees 32.44 crores. Who is president of WADA? Witold Banka. Who won the ICC T20 Player of the Year for 2023? Surya Kumar Yadav. Which conventional artificial intelligence startup developed Bharat GPT with Google Cloud as its technology partner? That is CoRover.ai. What is the age limit for an individual to be considered a minor according to the WADA code? That is 18 years. How many times has Virat Kohli won the ICC Men's ODI Cricket of the Year award as mentioned in the provided information? That is 4 times. Virat Kohli कितना बार जीता? That is 4 times. What achievement or work led to the Khaitan Kariko and Drew Weissman winning the Nobel Prize in Medicine in 2023 for work on messenger RNA mRNA technology? Which of the following are promoters of National Securities Deposit Limited? NSDL. तो कौन कौन है promoters? IDBI, UTI, NSE. Which of the following is an example of contractionary monetary policy? Raising the reserve requirement for banks. During Union Budget 23-24 speech, the Finance Minister stated that the Pradhan Mantri PVTG development mission would be launched. The mission is aimed at achieving which of the following target? Improving socio-economic condition of scheduled tribes. What category did Panchayat 2 win at the 54th International Film Festival of India? That is OTT award for web series. OTT award for web series. Name the subsidiary of the RBI that has recently collaborated with Digital India Bhashini division to bring linguistic inclusion in the financial services space. Reserve Bank Innovation Hub. तो इसका नाम क्या है? Reserve Bank Innovation Hub. Okay. The Reserve Bank of India cancelled the certificate of registration with which housing finance company in October 2023. That is IND Bank Housing Limited. ओके, तो अभी हम लोग का जो फाइनेंस का पार्ट है फॉर बैंक्स वो अभी हम लोग कंप्लीट करेंगे और लास्ट में फिर से जनरल अवेयरनेस जो रहेगा. ओके, तो अभी जो सारे हम लोग कंप्लीट करेंगे नेक्स्ट 100. ओके, वो सारा बैंक के लिए होंगे. In November 2023, India became the chair of which of the organization for 2024? International Sugar Organization. Which company has recently tied up with the Visa to issue credit cards to small business owners of India? That is Ipo Pay. Which day celebrated International Day for Tolerance? 16 November. A systematic transfer plan sometimes in the news is related to mutual fund. म्यूचुअल फंड सही है ना. Recently, which organization has introduced its Android earthquake alert system in India in collaboration with the National Disaster Management Authority (NDMA), the National Center for Seismology (NCS), and the Ministry of Earth Science? That is किसने किया था? गूगल ने. ओके, और क्या है? Android earthquake alert system. Based on the life of which personality the book Thread by Thread is written? That is Shambhu Kumar Kasliwal. Thread by Thread. Shambhu Kumar Kasliwal. The government has revised the yearly premium of PMJJBY from rupees 330 to rupees 436 in June 2022. पीएमजेजे मतलब प्रधानमंत्री जीवन ज्योति बीमा योजना. पीएमएसबीवाई मतलब प्रधानमंत्री सुरक्षा बीमा योजना. और यहाँ पे सुरक्षा में कितना है? फ्रॉम रुपीज 12 टू रुपीज 20. और यहाँ पे क्या है? रुपीज 330 टू रुपीज 436. ओके. Which country has assumed the role of vice chair for the Indian Ocean Rim Association for the next 2 years in October? और आयोरा में कौन है? That is India for the next 2 years in October 2023. The network of shared automatic computing machine in India is called NFS. NSFS का मतलब Need for Speed मत लिख देना. हाँ? National Financial Switch, UPI Unified Payments Interface, BPPS Bharat Bill Pay Scheme, NPCI National Payments Corporation of India, IMPS Immediate Payment Service. Which bank has partnered with FIBE to launch India's first numberless credit card? That is Axis Bank. The IRDAI launched the IGMS in the year 2010. Choose the correct expanded form for IGMS, Integrated Grievance Management System. Which singer composer conferred with the 19th Kalakar Puraskar Award? That is Apollinaris D'Souza. With whom did the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank AIIB collaborated to promote sustainable infrastructure development? United Nations Development Program UNDP. Who has recently won National Metallurgistic Award 2022 under the Lifetime Achievement Award? That is Kamachi Mudali Uthandi. What is the name given to Ayushman Bharat Health and Wellness Center by the central government? ये क्या है? आयुष्मान आरोग्य मंदिर. Which of the following actress bagged the trophy for the best lead actress at the Asian Contents Award and Global OTT Awards 2023 in Busan, South Korea? That is Karishma Tanna. Novak Djokovic defeated which of the following player to clinch 7 Paris Masters title? That is Grigor Dimitrov. Board of Control for Cricket in India announced a 3-year partnership with which insurance company? तो SBI Life. तो इसका स्टॉक आपको खरीदना चाहिए 3 साल के लिए. सही बात. Which publication honored Federal Bank with the Bank of the Year? India title The Banker Financial Times. At which place Indian Navy test first indigenously developed anti-ship missile? और कहाँ पे किया था? विशाखापट्टनम. According to the RBI, the rate of interest on the Government of India floating rate bond 2023 FRB 2031 applicable for half year, that is 7 December 2023 to 6 June 2024 shall be 8.12% per annum. Who has become the first women medical officer to be deployed at Siachen? That is Capital Geetika Kaul. First women medical officers to be deployed in Siachen. गीतिका कॉल. कैपिटल नहीं है वो, कैप्टन होगा. कैप्टन गीतिका कॉल. Recently, the PM Kisan Bhai Bhandaran initiative scheme was in news. What is the main objective to it? To break the influence of traders in price determination. Which is the only bank authorized to encash electoral bonds in India? That is State Bank of India. India was recently ranked 3rd in the Global Unicorn Index 2023. Which of the following country has topped the index? That is USA. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development (NABARD), which was set up in 1982, took charge of which of the following institution? Agriculture, Refinance and Development Corporation (ARDC). IRDAI enables insurance for all by which year? 2047. In November 2023, who has been crowned the Miss Universe 2023? That is Shanice Palacios. Who has been appointed as the new Director, Managing Director and CEO of Kotak Mahindra Bank in November 2023? Ashok Vaswani. Who has become Ecuador's youngest ever president? Daniel Noboa. और ये important रहेगा, okay? Who has become Ecuador's youngest ever president? That is Daniel Noboa. The Goods and Service Tax GST Council has reduced the GST rates for millets flour food from the current 18 to what? So that is 5%. 18 से लेके कितना घटा दिया? 18% से लेके 5%. Okay. GST rates for millets flour food. The 2030 FIFA World Cup will be hosted in how many continents? That is 3. कौन-कौन? Africa, यूरोप एंड साउथ अमेरिका. और उनके अंदर कंट्रीज कौन आएंगे? 6 कंट्रीज: अर्जेंटीना, मोरक्को, पैराग्वे, पोर्टुगल, स्पेन, उरुग्वे. व्हाट इज मूडीज इन्वेस्टर्स सर्विस इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ फोरकास्ट फॉर इंडिया इन 2023? दैट इज 6.7%. Which bank has recently collaborated with LIC Card Service Limited and MasterCard to launch co-branded credit card? That is IDFC First Bank. What was the year-on-year growth in UPI transaction value in December? That is 42%. Which committee first mooted to create a super regulatory body for the Financial Stability and Development Council? That is Raghuram Rajan Committee. LIC's Jeevan Umang is a whole life plan. The YONO app of SBI is going to get launched in which 2 countries? Singapore and USA. Under whose chairmanship did the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India IRDAI proposes to constitute an 11-member task force to investigate the effect of Digital Personal Data Protection Act 2023 on the insurance sector, that is Randeep Singh Jagpal. Chairman of IRDAI, that is Devashish Panda. When was the first United Nations World Sustainable Transport Day observed across the globe? That is 26 November 2023. Transport Day 26 November. Okay. Which insurance company is highlighted as the fourth largest insurer in the world in the S&P Global Study, that is LIC? What is the name of the recently conducted military exercise between India and Sri Lanka? That is Mitra Shakti. What is the projected financial growth rate of Indian economy for the financial year 2023 as per advanced estimate of the NSO, National Statistical Office? That is 7.3%. जितना सारा ये रहेगा ना वो सब पढ़ के जाना है, ठीक है, UIIC में. Which country hosted the annual GPAI summit in December 2023? That is India. In 2023, the RBI approved Hinduja Group entity IndusLand International Holdings Limited to acquire Reliance Capital. Which of the following is not an arm of the World Bank Group? That is International Monetary Fund. और World Bank Group में कौन कौन आता है? The Multilateral Investment Guarantee Agency MIGA, the International Finance Corporation IFC, International Bank of Reconstruction and Development IBRD, International Development Association IDA, International Center for Self Settlement of Investment Dispute ICSID. तो यहाँ पे क्या है? मिगा है, IFC है, ब्रो, ओके, IBRD, ओके, IDA है और सिड है, ठीक है, ICSID, सिड इधर बैठा हुआ है, तो इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी फंड यहाँ पे नहीं है. Who has honored with the MS Swaminathan Award for contributions in agronomy, that is Professor B.R. Kamboj. The Loss and Damage Fund has been said to be operationalized at COP28 summit, in which COP summit the idea of creating the same fund was initiated, that is COP27. The technique used to extract confidential information such as username and password is phishing. ठीक है, उसको क्या कहते हैं? उसको कहते हैं phishing. RBI appointed whom as the new executive director of RBI in October 2023, that is Munish Kapoor. Executive Director of RBI, Munish Kapoor, who has been appointed in January 2024 as the Secretary of the 16th Finance Commission, that is Shri Ritvik Ranjanam Pandey. Which company has recently partnered with the NSDL Payments Bank and the National Payments Corporation of India (NPCI) to launch the One Nation corporate card, that is Paycraft Solution? CAMELS is an international rating system that rates financial institution. What does E stands in CAMELS? So that is for earnings. Okay. तो कैमल्स का पूरा फुल फॉर्म क्या है? कैपिटल एडिक्वेसी, एसेट क्वालिटी, मैनेजमेंट, अर्निंग, लिक्विडिटी एंड सेंसिटिविटी. What is the primary objective of the Memorandum of Understanding MOU between India and USAID? Achieving net zero carbon emission in the railway sector by 2030. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has increased the foreign direct investment FDI limit to 74% in the insurance sector. What was the previous limit? That is 49%. Which life insurance company has recently launched Super Cash Plan, a new non-linked participating individual life insurance saving plan, that is Ageas Federal Life Insurance? KYC guidelines have been issued by RBI under Section 35A of Banking Regulation X. ठीक है, KYC जो हम लोग देते हैं वो किसके अंडर आता है? सेक्शन 35A ऑफ बैंकिंग रेगुलेशन एक्ट. In December 2023, Life Insurance Corporation of India reduced its shareholding in Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited BHEL from 11.701 to 9.617% through open market operation (OMO). Name the bank that has recently acquired additional shares of JC Flower Asset Reconstruction Private Limited to reinstate its equity share capital proportion to 9.9. That is Yes Bank. Red Planet Day is observed to commemorate the 1964 NASA launch, which spacecraft was the first spacecraft to land on the Mars, that is Mariner 4. How many sub-indices are there in the Financial Inclusion Index report released by RBI? That is 3. What is the maximum amount that can be transferred through the Aadhaar Annual Payment System AEPS per account per day? That is 50,000. Name the bank that has recently partnered with the Intensive Vigilance and Intervention System to offer cutting-edge electronic surveillance services. That is ICICI Bank. Who is the newly appointed spokesperson at the Ministry of External Affairs MEA? That is Randir Jaiswal. In October 2023, the RBI has increased the minimum amount for offering non-callable term deposit TDS from rupees 15 lakh to rupees 1 crore. Which Indian non-government company along with Modi Story has recently edited and compiled the book Resilient India: How Modi Transformed India's Disaster Management Paradigm, and that is released by Pushkar Singh Dhami and CM of Uttarakhand. That is Blue Craft Digital Foundation. पढ़ते हैं, बहुत लंबा था. Which Indian national non-government company, non-government company कौन सा था? That is Blue Craft Digital Foundation. उन्होंने क्या किया? Modi Story has recently edited and compiled the book. क्या था? Resilient India: How Modi Transformed India's Disaster Management Paradigm. रिलीज किसने किया? पुष्कर सिंह धामी, CM of Uttarakhand. Which is said to replace Analjit Singh as the chairman of the Max Life Insurance? That is Rajiv Anand. Which Indian Institute of Technology launched the Kotak School of Sustainability in collaboration with Kotak Mahindra Bank? That is IIT Kanpur. Export Credit Guarantee Corporation is a government-owned export credit agency of India and is under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. When was the Export Credit Guarantee Corporation in India established? That is 1957. Which country has performed the best in the Climate Change Performance Index CCPI? That is 2023 Denmark. What is the theme for International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women 2023? That is Unite. Invest to prevent violence against women and girls. Which state won the Gold for Excellence in Display at the 42nd International Trade Fair 2023? That is Odisha. In November 2023, UBS Securities India Private Limited raised India's gross domestic product GDP growth forecast by 10 basis points to 6.3% for the fiscal year 2023-2024. The premium collected are held in trust by the insurance company and the amount so collected is called a reserve. तो premium collect करते हैं उसको क्या कहते हैं? We call it a reserve. In December 2023, the Ministry of Finance imposed a definitive anti-dumping duty on imports of wheel loaders from which country for a period of 5 years? That is China. G20 members, सारे G20 members को एक बार पढ़ लेते हैं. कौन कौन है? 2A, अर्जेंटीना, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, ब्राजील, कनाडा, चाइना, फ्रांस, जर्मनी, इंडिया, इंडोनेशिया, इटाली, जापान, रिपब्लिक ऑफ कोरिया, मेक्सिको, रशिया, सऊदी अरेबिया, साउथ अफ्रीका, टर्की, यूनाइटेड किंगडम, यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स एंड द यूरोपियन यूनियन. इसके बाहर अगर कोई हुआ तो वो G20 मेंबर्स नहीं होगा. Which insurance company has recently excluded the Red Sea shipping route from standard marine insurance? Tata AIG General Insurance. Which bank has recently excluded transactions via the National Payments Corporation of India (NPCI's) UPI payment app as part of the UPI for Secondary Market Facility, that is HDFC Bank. Pin Valley National Park is located in Himachal Pradesh. तो पिन वैली कहाँ पे है? तुमने अपना पिन कहाँ पे छोड़ा? पिन तुमने छोड़ा है हिमाचल प्रदेश में. Recently, the Manipur Health Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan Singh has launched the SANS campaign. Which disease does it want to eradicate? That is pneumonia. Name the bank that has recently introduced a saving account portability online scheme. Indian Overseas Bank. The subsidiary companies of the General Insurance Corporation of India were dealing from the parent company in the year 2000. GIC has had 4 subsidiary companies. क्या क्या था? New India Insurance, United India Insurance, National Insurance Company and Oriental Insurance Company. In January 2024, the United Nations Security Council adopted a resolution and condemning Yemen's Houthi rebels on merchant and commercial vessels in the Red Sea area. Which of the following countries have sponsored the resolution? Okay, तो वहां पे क्या करता था? लूट लेता था. Okay, तो this resolution is sponsored by US and Japan. FICR का full form Foreign Inward Remittance Certificate. Which company is set to launch GSAT 20 renamed GSAT N2? A carb and high throughput satellite HTS on board the Falcon 9 rocket of Space Exploration Technologies Corporation SpaceX in the second quarter of the 2024. That is New Space India Limited. In December 2023, Reliance Industries Limited became the first Indian company to chemically recycle plastic waste pyrolysis oil into International Sustainability and Carbon Certification, that is ISCC, okay, plus certified circular polymers. Which is the largest tributary of the river Indus, that is Chenab. इसका लेफ्ट बैंक ट्रिब्यूटरी एंड राइट बैंक ट्रिब्यूटरी आपको देखना पड़ेगा. Recently, DGO has received approval from the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) to act as a payment aggregator. DGO is backed by which company? So DGO is backed by Grove. Which ministry launched its national campaign against gender-based violence? That is Nayi Chetna 2.0. That is Minister of Rural Development. Who received the Economic Times Bands 2023 award in December 2023? That is Kohinoor Group. Which bank has recently launched the National Common Mobility Card (NCMC) RuPay Reloaded prepaid card under the One Nation One Card initiative? Bank of Baroda. Who has recently assumed the position of Secretary of the Railway Board? That is Aruna Nair, and she is an IRPS. NCBR data for 2022 signifies a decrease in crime against women on Indian Railway compared to 2019. What is the full form of the abbreviation NCRB? National Crime Records Bureau. What is the theme of the World Braille Day 2024? That is Braille empowering through inclusions and diversity. One-day national workshop on role of Panchayati Raj institution is primarily being conducted to address which key issue? Addressing the gender-based violence. In January 2024, India and Nepal signed a long-term power trade agreement (PTA) to export how many megawatts of electricity of India over the next decade? That is rupees 10,000. As per the report, MSMEs Unleashing the Engines of Economic Prosperity prepared by CBRE India Research in January 2024, Maharashtra state has accounted for the highest share, 17% of micro, small and medium enterprise MSMEs in India. What does the term premium denote in relation to an insurance policy price paid by an insured for purchasing the policy? Name the bank that has recently partnered with Digiridhi Technologies Private Limited (DGV) to offer financial services to support the requirement of dairy farmers and dairy societies. That is Karnataka Bank. Who has authored the book The Babri Masjid Ram Mandir Dilemma? याद है कौन था? गोडबोले है ना? Then that is Madhav Godbole. Durga Singh of which state won the gold medal in under 18 race in the 38th National Junior Athletics Championship 2023 in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, that is Bihar. Which bank has recently in Jan 2024 collaborated with the National Payments Corporation of India (NPCI) to launch the Unified Payments Interface UPI enabled Samman Rupee credit card for government sector employees, that is IndusInd Bank. Which program has recently launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to promote cleanliness at pilgrimage sites? Swachh Mandir campaign. Which state government has recently launched a non-resident India RBI website under the Department of NRI Affairs to provide support and assistance to NRI, that is Punjab. ओ चलो कनाडा. ओके, यहाँ पे लेते हैं हम लोग छोटा सा वाटर ब्रेक. आपको जौन सा पानी पीने का मन करे करो. ग्रीन टी पियो, व्हाइट टी पियो, कैमोलिन टी पियो, चैमोमाइल है ना, टी पियो, बीच बीच में पियो, या फिर डिटॉक्स पियो, है ना. दारू पी के मत बैठ जाना, कुछ समझ में नहीं आएगा. ठीक है, बस उसको अवॉइड करना जितना हो सके. दिमाग के लिए हानिकारक है. अगर समझ जाओ तो अच्छी बात है ना, नहीं तो बाजू वाला तुमसे आगे निकल जाएगा. Which insurance has introduced a UPI QR code based payment option for policy purchase and renewal, that is Star Health and Allied Insurance? PNB Housing Finance announced that India Ratings and Research that is Indira has upgraded companies non-convertible debentures NCDs to which rating, that is IND AA+. Which bank is primarily focused on the development of the MSME micro small enterprise sector? Small Industries Development Bank of India. In which category did NTPC Kanti receive the FICCI Award Water Award 2023? Industrial Water Use Efficiency. Who has been appointed as the head coach of the Indian women's cricket team by the BCCI? That is Amol Majumdar. For the reforms in the insurance sector, Government of India formed a committee under the chairmanship of R.N. Malhotra. He was the former governor of RBI. Where does Katania Ghat Wildlife Sanctuary is located? That is Uttar Pradesh. Katania है ना, बुलडोजर काट देगा घर. ठीक है, उत्तर प्रदेश. The National Skill Development Corporation NSDC in December 2023 signed a MOU with the government of Saudi Arabia to safeguard the rights of skilled laborers from India. Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development OECD retained its growth projection for India at how much percent for financial year 2024, that is 6.3%. Okay. OECD ने कितना बोला है, दूसरा ने कितना बोला है, सबको याद रखना होगा. Which bank organization has recently partnered with the World Food Program to scale up its impact on food security? That is World Bank. What does AMRIT stand for the context of water purification technology? That is arsenic and metal removal by Indian technology. और इसको किसने डेवलप किया? इसको डेवलप किया है IIT मद्रास. ICGS Sangam, one of the oldest advanced offshore patrol vessels of the Indian Coast Guard, was decommissioned after 26 years of service. It was built by Goa Shipyard Limited. At which place Bharat Tax 2024 to be organized from February 26 to 29, 2024, that is New Delhi. CDR is the ratio of how much a bank lends out of the deposit it has mobilized. What is the full form of CDR? That is credit deposit ratio. When was the Negotiable Instrument Act constituted? 1881. It is an act to define law relating to negotiable instruments which are promissory notes, bills of exchange and checks. What is the name of the snakeman of India? That is Romulus Whittaker's memoir to be released in January 2024. Snakes, Drugs and Rock and Roll. कुछ डैम्स पढ़ लेते हैं कहाँ पे. राणा प्रताप सागर डैम राजस्थान, अलमट्टी कर्नाटका, ओमकारेश्वर डैम मध्य प्रदेश, ओम मध्य है ना, मेटूर डैम तमिलनाडु, मेला पेरियार कहाँ पे केरला, श्री साइलम डैम आंध्र प्रदेश तेलंगाना, ये बॉर्डर में है. ओके. नागार्जुना डैम आंध्र प्रदेश तेलंगाना, इन दोनों के बॉर्डर में है. धूमधाम महाराष्ट्र. In which country the Asian Indian Millet Festival 2023 is being held? That is in Indonesia. Which Indian airline in December 2023 achieved the historic milestone of becoming the first in the country to carry 100 million passengers in a single calendar year? That is Indigo. Which cricketer has been made the brand ambassador of ASITIS Nutrition? That is Ravindra Jadeja. GATT, इसका full form General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade. Which two companies recently announced a collaboration to enhance vehicle infotainment system with gaming and AI capabilities? That is Nvidia and MediaTek. Amazon is developing a new large language model code named Olympus to take on artificial intelligence product referred by OpenAI and Alphabet. The new team is led by Rohit Prasad, who is the former head of Alexa. Which hockey player has won the FIH Goalkeeper of the Year for the third consecutive time? That is Savita Punia. Who has been honored with the CMD of the Year award at the 13th PSC Excellence Award for the second consecutive year? That is Pradeep Kumar Das. What is the name of the education campaign of Brahma Kumaris launched by the President Draupadi Murmu in Sambalpur, Odisha? That is New Education for New India. The State Educational Achievement Survey SEAS 2023 was conducted by Parak at the block level in India at which grades? That is 3, 6, 9. Which of the following is incorrect for zero coupon bond? There is these are issued at discount, there is no interest. Okay, which is incorrect? तो कौन सा incorrect है? These are issued by the Reserve Bank of India. सीधी सी बात है. जीरो कूपन बॉन्ड RBI नहीं देता. बाकी these are issued at discount, ठीक है. These are there is no interest paid on this bond, ठीक है. They are repaired at face value. Okay, the buyer of this bond gets payment at the maturity of the bond. बढ़िया. Example of health plan of the Life Insurance Corporation of India, that is LIC Arogya Rakshak. Which of the following digital payment startups recently secured approval from the RBI to operate as payments aggregators, allowing them to add new merchants and accelerate growth? That is Razorpay and Cash Free. Which year does the government aim to increase the nuclear power capacity from 7480 megawatt to 22480 megawatt? That is 2031 to 2032 तक ये हो जाएगा. हाँ ठीक है, हो जाए तो अच्छी बात है, और करंट का बिल भी कम हो तो अच्छा है ना. बट डे टू डे इट्स जस्ट इंक्रीजिंग है ना, रेंटल जो है ना वो इंक्रीज हो रहा है. Rana Small Finance Bank and RappiPay company have partnered to offer a digital banking experience to customers through which mobile app? That is NYE. Who has recently become India's 84th Grandmaster by crossing the 2500 Elo Live ratings in the 4th edition of the LLO Bregat Open Chess Tournament, that is Vaishali Ramesh Babu. Who has inaugurated the International Conclave on Mainstreaming Climate Change, that is Purushottam Rupala. What is the objective of Vikas Bharat 2047 Voice of Youth, that is Youth Empowerment and Participation. बहुत दूर का सोच लिया. 47 37 भी होता तो मान लेता, 27 भी होता तो मान लेता, 47. Oh, it's a long day. Which group had agreed on code of conduct for companies developing advanced artificial intelligence system, that is G7. Who won the Las Vegas Grand Prix 2023, that is Max Verstappen. Which Indian companies rank number 1 in service delivery quantity and commercial competitiveness in Spain by Whitelane Research Tata Consultancy Services? In which year the General Insurance Corporation GIC's subsidiaries were restricted as independent companies, and at same time GIC was converted into a national reinsurer, that is 2000. Who has been conferred with the Padma Vibhushan Award in the Public Affairs category for 2024, that is M. Venkaiah Naidu. The theme of the 75th Republic Day of India was विकसित भारत एंड भारत लोकतंत्र की मतृका. The All India Survey of Higher Education AISHE 2021 was released by which ministry, that is Ministry of Education. Which artificial intelligence platform was developed by controversial AI startup CoreOver.ai with Google Cloud in India, that is Bharat GPT. Who won the women's singles title in the Australian Open 2023, that is Aryna Sabalenka. कोकोआ कहाँ का था? यूएस में कोका पीते थे, है ना? तो वैसे हम याद किया था लास्ट वीडियो में. ओके. Which of the following measures the number of students enrolled in higher education as percentage of the eligible population age 18 to 23 years, that is gross enrollment ratio? Which national park was the rare golden tiger recently spotted? काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क. बहुत बढ़िया. गोल्डन टाइगर कहाँ पे मिला था? ओके. Recently spotted काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क. अभी पूरा भीड़ हो जाएगा उधर. How many times has Virat Kohli won the ICC Men's ODI Cricketer of the Year award? तो कितने बार जीता? उन्होंने जीता 4 बार. The buggy tradition for the president and chief guest in the Republic Day parade returned after how many years? In 2024, that is after 40 years. Wow. Who was named ICC T20 Player of the Year for 2023? That is Surya Kumar Yadav. इसमें विराट कोहली मत लेते हैं. Martyr Day on March 23 is observed to recognize the sacrifice of which freedom fighter? That is Bhagat Singh, Rajgurudev and Sukhdev. Who was the Chief Justice of India? First Chief Justice of India, J.A. Kania. Martyr Day is observed on January 30 to commemorate the martyrdom of which Indian leader? That is Mahatma Gandhi. Which company became India's first AI startup to achieve unicorn status? That is Paytm. Disease X, which is anticipated to be more fatal than COVID-19, refers to what? That is a hypothetical future pandemic. In which year was the Diamond Jubilee of the Supreme Court celebrated? That is 2024. Which Indian city is said to get the country's first carbon neutral sports city? That is Kochi. Wow. The Beating the Retreat ceremony marks the end of which Indian national event? That is Republic Day. Nitish Kumar became the Chief Minister of Bihar for the 9th time in which year? 2024. 9 बार. कितना बार? 9 बार. वाह, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है दया, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है ना? Krutrim, India's first AI startup to become a unicorn, was founded by which individual? That is Bhavish Agarwal. After which river is the BrahMos missile named? BrahMos and Moskva. In which battle did Marathanda Verma defeated the Dutch in 1741 Battle of Colachel. Which film won the Best Film category at the 69 Filmfare Award 12 fail? Best film किसको मिला? 12 fail. Who received the Lifetime Achievement Award at 69 Filmfare Award? That is David Dhawan. What is the mascot of the 6th edition of the Khelo India Youth Games? That is Veera Mangai Vellu Nachiyar. Who has been nominated by the President of Rajya Sabha as an entrepreneur? That is Satnam Singh Sandhu. Who has been nominated by the President to Rajya Sabha as an edupreneur? Satnam Singh Sandhu. What is the maximum strength of Rajya Sabha and how many members are nominated by the President? Maximum strength 250, nominated up to 12. Which country is said to receive BrahMos supersonic cruise missile from India? That is Philippines. In which state did Khelo India 2023 take place? That is Madhya Pradesh. When is Indian Coast Guard Day celebrated? That is 1st February. ओके तो ये तो अपडेट होता रहेगा. ओके तो आज के लिए इतना रखते हैं और आज बता दें आज का जो हम लोग का एडीआरई ओके आसाम डायरेक्ट रिक्रूटमेंट का जो एग्जाम का जो प्रिपरेशन है उसके लिए आज से क्लासेस स्टार्ट हो रहा है. आज इंट्रोडक्टरी क्लास है, आप उसको ज्वाइन करें. इसका जो लिंक है आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया हुआ है. ओके एंड अगर आप जीपे करना चाहते हैं तो व्हाट्सएप करें. व्हाट्सएप नंबर भी दिया हुआ है नीचे, है ना, उसको करें. ये बस एडीआरई के लिए नहीं, आपको एपीएससी जो प्रीलिम्स है उसके लिए आपका हेल्प करेगा. पुलिस, एसआई, फिर ये कांस्टेबल उसके लिए हेल्प करेगा. ठीक है, डीएमई ये सब पोस्ट के लिए हेल्प करेगा. और अपकमिंग जितने सारे आसाम रिलेटेड एग्जाम्स है उसके लिए आपको ये हेल्प करेगा. तो इसमें आपको क्या क्या पढ़ाया जाएगा? पहले तो पढ़ाया जाएगा इंग्लिश, उसके बाद मैथ्स, आप मेंटल मैथ्स बोल सकते हैं, क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड बोल सकते हैं. ठीक है, ये मैथ्स कंप्लीट पढ़ाया जाएगा. उसके बाद रीजनिंग. ठीक है, इसमें रीजनिंग आपका कंप्लीट रहेगा. फिर इसमें आसाम जीके आपका कंप्लीट रहेगा. ओके, आसाम जीके इसमें आपका कंप्लीट रहेगा. तो ये आपका पूरा हो गया. एडिशनल इसमें आपको रहेगा साइंस. आपका साइंस टॉपिक पढ़ाया जाएगा. इसमें साइंस में रहेगा बायोलॉजी, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री. ओके एंड इसमें रहेगा कंप्यूटर. ओके, कंप्यूटर आपको इसमें पढ़ाया जाएगा जो सारे एग्जाम में आपको काम में आएगा. ओके, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यहाँ पे क्या रहेगा? यहाँ पे आपको मॉक्स टेस्ट रहेगा. ठीक है, जैसे कोई एग्जाम आ रहा है उसका तो मॉक्स रहना चाहिए ना, तो मॉक्स आप लोग देंगे. ओके, और ये मॉक जो है ये ऐप में पूरा टाइमर बेस्ड है. ओके, टाइमर लगा रहता है, उस बेस्ड में ये मॉक आप दे सकते हैं. ओके, इसके जितने सारे पीडीएफ्स है, ओके, इसके जितने सारे पीडीएफ्स है वो पीडीएफ्स का अलग से ग्रुप है, टेलीग्राम ग्रुप. ओके, उसको आप डाउनलोड करके क्या कर सकते हैं, उसको भी ऐसे डाउनलोड करके दे सकते हैं. मॉक्स, ओके, मॉक्स के लिए बोल रहा हूँ. और बाकी जितने सारा लाइव वीडियोस है, ओके, ये रिकॉर्डेड नहीं है. ओके, आई विल टेल यू, ये सारे रिकॉर्डेड वीडियोस नहीं है, ये सारे लाइव वीडियोस है. ओके, लाइव कोचिंग जो है वो आपको उसमें नीचे लिंक है, उसमें जाइए, क्लिक कीजिए और इसके लिए आप प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, इसके साथ अगर मान लीजिए आपका कोई एग्जाम सामने आ रहा है तो रिकॉर्डेड जो वीडियोस है ना, रिकॉर्डेड वीडियोस ये हम लोग फ्री में देते हैं इस पैकेज के साथ. ओके, तो आप लोग टेंशन मत लीजिए, उस पैकेज को लीजिए. ओके, एंड आराम से जो है ना, मैं गारंटी दे सकता हूँ कि आपका जितने सारे एग्जाम है ऐसा नहीं होगा कि आपने ये क्वेश्चन कभी देखा नहीं होगा या फिर किया नहीं होगा, है ना, तो आपको लगे अरे ये तो किया हुआ है. अब अगर आप भूल गए तो अलग बात है. ठीक है, तो उसको जल्दी से जल्दी आज ज्वाइन कीजिए. आज इंट्रोडक्टरी क्लास है, मंडे से उसका फुल फ्लेजेड क्लास स्टार्ट होने वाला है. ओके, सो थैंक यू एंड ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर द अपकमिंग UISC एग्जाम्स. ओके, चलिए, धन्यवाद.